Alright, the early evening continues as we're just a few minutes away from sunset. It is September 7th, 2025. CN, he's here. 1914 coming to you from Ladysmith with another video lined up. Northbound on the way to M357 at Lublin. Check him out on the roads and lean back and get him. Here we go. Hybrid horn set for this leading unit. More units in tow. Definitely a variant. 3885. 75 by 330 in the middle. And the 906. M357. GPU coming up! That's fine! That was the GPU equipped 2202! Last of it coming already! 3x1 for this. Canadian Pacific down about TTGX 988-742. End of train device is going. How about that? Another highlight of the day. Amazing. So that is going to do it for the M357 91 of the 6th. And we'll do it for the 3885 sporting the 100th anniversary logo and the hybrid K5HLA. The new SD75 ACC rebuild of the 8330, 2906 third, and the DPU equipped -9 of the 2202. How about that? That's going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this evening, as we are still minutes away from sunset. How about that? Not bad at all. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great evening. See you next time. I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.